In today's video, I am going to teach you how to recover lost emails or missing emails in Gmail. If an email seems to have disappeared, it is usually still in your account, just stored in a different place. Gmail also keeps deleted messages for a limited time, so it is important to check the most likely folders first. Start by opening Gmail and going to your inbox. From here, look at the left-hand menu where your folders are listed. If that menu is not fully visible, click the small menu icon near the top left to expand it so you can see more options. First, open the spam folder. Sometimes real messages are mistakenly classified as spam, especially if the sender is new or the message includes links or attachments. Take a moment to scan the list or use the search bar at the top if you remember a keyword from the subject line or the sender. If you find the missing email here, you can open it and move it back to your inbox so future messages from that sender are easier to find. Next, go back to the left-hand menu and open the trash folder. This is where deleted emails usually go, and Gmail typically keeps them there for up to 30 days before removing them permanently. If your email was deleted by accident, it will often still be sitting in trash. Again, scroll through the list or use search to narrow it down by a keyword you remember. If you locate the message, you can move it out of trash to restore it. If you have checked spam and trash and the email still does not appear, it may have been permanently deleted recently, or it may have been removed due to suspicious activity on the account. In that case, use the official Gmail Message Recovery tool. Open the Gmail Message Recovery tool page from Google Support and follow the prompts to request recovery of messages that were deleted within the last 30 days. This tool is especially helpful if messages vanished after an account issue. After you submit the request, give Gmail a little time to process the recovery. Then check your mail again. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.